Happy Wednesday! So today we are doing guided reading level Q. So let's go over our focus question that we want to keep focusing on so we're able to answer it for Thursday. What is Wimbledon and what sets it apart from other tournaments? Okay, so on this slide, I will put the video that I'm recording so you'll watch it. Let's go over context clues. When to use context clues? Remember to use context clues when you are stuck on a word, when you're trying to figure out the meaning of the word, or you're trying to understand the message of the text, or what is the passage stating. Remember to use pictures, helping words, words you know, examples and definitions, synonyms and antonyms. Context clues are clues that good readers use to find the meaning of unknown words. This is what you want to use every time you're reading and you come upon a word you're not sure of. Even me as an adult, I use my context clues. As I'm reading, there are words that I come upon that I may not know or understand the meaning, and I use my context clues, and I use the sentences before and after, and I think about what could the word mean. Author's purpose. Remember that the author has a purpose for writing a text. Always ask yourself, why is the author writing this? Does he or she want to inform, persuade, explain, entertain, or describe something to the reader? So what is the purpose of the author writing this? Okay. The author included the selection Rules and Traditions, and then you would click here to type why the author included it. And then for Thursday, please read Famous Finals and the conclusion, which is pages 11 through 15. I have also included it in the PowerPoint. So the pages are here for you to read. They are in order so that you don't have to go into Raz-Kids. So now let's look at Raz-Kids. Okay, so now we are looking at, I believe, 9 and 10. So the rules and traditions. So just by reading the selections title, okay, rules and traditions, what does that mean to you? What do you think this is going to be about? And also look at the picture, look at the caption, okay? So we know rules means, I go back and think about games and how you have expectations to follow in order to play correctly. That's the same thing with Wimbledon. Now remember, Wimbledon is tennis. It's where people compete in tennis, a big tennis tournament, and you want to be number one. You want to win the trophy. You want to win everything. Okay, this means you are the best in the world. So, above all other Wimbledon traditions is the grass courtyard. So Wimbledon is in England, if you have not figured that out already. So they play on actual grass. It's not turf, it's actual grass that they water and take care of year round. Okay? Every day during the tournament, the grounds crew mow the courts. They keep the height of the grass at exactly 8 millimeters. So the perfect height for playing. Okay, they paint the chalk lines and spray a precise amount of water on the grass at night to help it last. So just by reading this page and looking at the picture, you know that they are telling you a tradition and expectations that they follow every day in order to have the court ready for the players. Looking on page 10, okay, the three girls enjoy the Wimbledon tradition of strawberries and cream. So this is what they serve at Wimbledon. This is what they're known for, strawberries and cream, okay? You know how we go to Fiesta and we get gorditas and we get roasted corn or turkey legs. Well, Wimbledon in England, because Wimbledon's the name of the tournament, they get strawberries and cream. No advertising is allowed around the court, so that's another rule. You can't have any distractions. While players can wear whatever color they want in other tournaments, Wimbledon has an all-white dress code. So, when you play at Wimbledon, you are only allowed to wear white. So, that includes short collars, cap brims, and even the bottom of shoes. Everything is white, even the bottom of your shoe. So, the soles of your shoe have to be white. Eating strawberries and cream at Wimbledon is another tradition, okay? So, this is something that they follow. So this is what they serve. This is what people eat. This is what they're known for. Another tradition is and let's hear the word.
Queue.
Queue. Another special tradition is the queue, the British term for a line of waiting people. So right here, using my context clues, they just gave me the definition of queue. Okay. It is the British term for a line of waiting people. Fans can buy passes to walk around the Wimbledon grounds and stand next to an outside court to watch their favorite player practice or compete. Some fans queue all night hoping to buy a ticket for a certain match. Okay, sounds like when we have playoffs. So let's go back to our question. The author included the selection Rules and Traditions. Why? What was the purpose of this? And you will type it in here. Don't forget to read for Thursday's assignment. Okay, guys. Happy Wednesday. Bye.